Unlock your skills. Master topic with our step-by-step guide. Welcome to Colin's Career Channel, where we make learning fun and accessible. In this video, we'll walk you through specific task or skill, breaking it down into easy-to-follow steps that anyone can master. Whether you're a complete beginner or looking to refine your skills, our clear instructions and practical tips will help you achieve great results in no time. What you'll learn. Step-by-step instructions. Follow along as we guide you through every stage of the process. Pro tips and tricks. Discover insider secrets to help you achieve the best outcomes. Common mistakes to avoid. Learn how to steer clear of common pitfalls and get it right the first time. Tools and materials needed. List any tools or materials viewers will need to complete the task. Why watch? Clear and concise. Our easy-to-understand approach ensures you grasp every concept. Engaging content. Enjoy a visually engaging and informative tutorial that keeps you hooked. Boost your skills. Perfect for anyone looking to enhance their related skill or start from scratch. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more how-to guides and tutorials on related topics. Drop your questions and feedback in the comments. We love hearing from you and are here to help. This description is designed to grab attention with engaging language and clear, enticing details about what viewers can expect from the video. It also encourages interaction and ongoing engagement with your channel.